If you have your exam in April, don't worry, I have you covered. Okay, so these are first of the feedbacks of my PDFs which they buy, and these are the predictions from Pakistan. It is global, and this is the result 8 band just from the PDFs 8.5. This was 10th of January and again 10th of January. This is from Cameroon. And those who do not know me, I am an ex-IELTS examiner and I give group and individual classes. You can have your evaluation done for the speaking and the writing. Of course, the cue cards get hit, and the LRW also hit. And of course, from my PDF, the reading gets repeated. And also, English with Anita Kundra, I have 1 million views on the Instagram. Now, if you come to the exam level and the dates of for April 2026, on the 4th April, it is academic, and you'll get listening, which is moderate, reading also moderate because of the third passage, writing moderate because it could be tricky. Okay, read the question carefully, and overall it is going to be moderate. Of course, a free sample is available on my Instagram channel, and there's a final version and for part 1 and the part 2 and 3. On the 11th of April, it is academic and general. Listening is going to be easy but fast. So it is easy to moderate. Reading is easy to moderate. Writing can be easy. Overall it is easy, and best date the 11th. If you want the details of the results, predictions that have been hit till date, you can go to the highlights of the Instagram channel English with Anita Kundra. Please go there. And this is the PDF from which the predictions get hit, and this is the PDF from which the readings get hit. Predicted cue cards for March you can buy from the website englishwithanitакундра.com, and it is at 50% off. You can easily achieve 7 bands. Reading prediction is also available on the WhatsApp. This is the number 7888605487. For the writing, the task 2 topics for GT and academic, all important topics are covered, and 1 band minimum improvement you can get from the PDF. You can buy, I can send you on the WhatsApp. On the 25th, it is academic and GT. Listening is going to be easy to moderate. Reading is moderate. Writing is easy to moderate. Overall, it is easy to moderate. For the computer-based and the global, I would say 13th to 19th April is the best date. Of course, new cards have been added, and I've already shared. Okay, please go and find them and get your evaluation done by an ex-IELTS examiner. Group and personal coaching is available. All the best. Please subscribe and share.